Okay, today we're going to go over the 36 mil premium drain mat system. We developed this a number of years ago and have been working on allowing water to move through the fibers, the hydrophobic fibers on the back of the product. The design here is to use in wet spaces and very rough areas. The felt on the back resists puncture, but it also is hydrophobic and moves water. So what I'm going to do here is show you an example. This is the liner, strips of the liner. And what we're going to do is take this product and drain it while we're talking here. This fiber moves in a huge amount of water in a short period of time, and it's because the fibers are just pushing the water through the air pockets in the liner. But as you can see, it's lightweight and easy to work with. So it's extremely durable, but you don't have that really stiff product that we normally have to work with. The product comes 8 feet wide, and the smooth coating attaches to adhesives very, very well. Main thing is it saves more time without having to put dimple mats down. So this is one process, the liner, the drain mat, all in one piece. Have a look at it.